If you've ever wanted to duplicate a component into a brand new Figma file without losing the ability to edit it as its own main component, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to copy a Figma component to a new file, detach the pasted instance, and turn it back into a fresh main component. This is a super useful workflow when you want to reuse design systems, move assets between files, or start a new project from an existing component. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your original Figma file and make sure you select the main component, not an instance. This is important because if you copy an instance, you're not copying the actual source component in the way you want for a new file. The main component is the original version, and that's what we need for this process. Once you've selected the main component, press Command+C on Mac or Control+C on Windows to copy it. Now open your new Figma file, click anywhere on the canvas and press Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows to paste it in. At this point, what you'll usually get is a pasted instance rather than a fully independent main component, so the next step is key. Right-click on the pasted instance and choose Detach Instance. This breaks the connection to the original component system and gives you an editable version inside your new file. Now that it's detached, you want to convert it back into a new main component. To do that, press Command+Option+K on Mac or Control+Alt+K on Windows. And just like that, you've created a new main component in your new file that's separate from the original. This is especially helpful when you want to duplicate design elements across projects while keeping full control over them in the new file. You can now edit, reuse, and build from that component without affecting the source file. If this saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Figma workflows, shortcuts, and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.